Hi. This video is about Clixsense, today called Ysense, and especially how much money we can get from it. I have literally filmed my screen in order to show you a 1-hour session of working with surveys from Clixsense. As you know, on such kinds of sites you usually have survey opportunities offers, which includes watching TV, and so-called tasks. When we compare compensation, or better saying money we can earn in each of these categories, of course, surveys appear the most attractive. For example, the most expensive task opportunity will give you $0.08, whether the average payment for a survey opportunity is $1. But you have to know that to be qualified for surveys is not a simple task. From my experience, the average is 10% of acceptance. Means from 60 surveys you will get 6 surveys accepted, and this is psychologically quite exhausting and challenging to deal with. However, I make on average $3 per hour. Also, all those surveys are not always available in all countries. So, that is the reason why a lot of people make most of their income with Clixsense thanks to task opportunities. You have to be accurate and concentrated, but once you are, you do not have to qualify you each time, and when the task is completed you will be paid. Which is quite a good opportunity if you are looking at some side income, or if $3 per hour income in your residence country is decent income. Please be aware that term of residence is really important. You cannot use any VPN software. Only one account can be open per household, so please go through terms and conditions before to do anything. This site has been there for a long time and there is no doubt about its notoriety, so once earned, your cash out will be performed without any issue. You can also check out the forum at Clixsense to see different testimonials of people from all around of the world. This is really cool. So, making short, real opportunity of earning without any financial investments. You can also share your experience of earning and we can publish it in the next videos. Let's make this online money making the world more transparent and profitable for everyone. I am convinced that by doing so and having real field feedback we can help a lot of people to make money online. If you want notes from this video, go to moneymakingchallenge.com and grab your free PDF report. This is all for today's video. Please subscribe to my channel, smash the like button, hit the notification bell, comment and share it. See you in the next video, bye bye.